What's up? Hi guys, my name is Michael. I'm about to tell you about a new blogging site called TealFeed. Let me tell you about it. TealFeed is a knowledge sharing platform that keeps people feed informative and empowering creators. We are building a platform that would serve all kinds of informative content, from articles to videos to podcasts, allow users to connect with creators, provide monetization opportunities to creators. Yeah, monetizing your blog, your videos on TealFeed. That's good news. And gives creators an opportunity to get paid projects from brands. Join our beta platform, get early access to new and exciting features. What? Do you think that is all? No way. Let me give you more information about TealFeed. Guess what? If you join TealFeed right now, because TealFeed just got created 3 months ago, so it's still in a better place. Let me tell you what TealFeed will do for you if you are a creator on TealFeed. Promoting better creators during a user signing process by prompting users to follow creators based on their interest. That is one way. The second way is promoting creators' profile in between users' feed, notifying users when the creator they follow publish a new article, promoting creators' content on the platform, and also through various off-platform strategies, sharing creators' profile through our social media handle or short bio and a poster about the creator. That is the way that TealFeed will promote you right now if you join at this time. So what does TealFeed expect from you if you join right now? Well, let me give it to you. Whenever they publish a new article on any other platform, we would want them to publish it on TealFeed too. So which means if you publish an article on Ashnod or any other blogging site, they expect you to also publish it on TealFeed too. Republishing their existing relevant content on TealFeed. That's 2. Helping us spread the word about TealFeed. Update their TealFeed profile and share their feedback about the platform. Well, seriously, at the end of this year, they are planning to start monetizing their products on TealFeed. So we think your article can start making you some money on TealFeed. So let's go right into it on how to create an account on TealFeed. Let's go right now. Okay, now we're going to come and click on Get Started. Click on it. So right here we can create an account with continue with Google, Facebook or LinkedIn. Or you could just come down here and put in your email account. To make this much faster, I'm just going to use a Gmail account. Just click on it. Okay, then click on your email account. You can use any of the other accounts to create a TealFeed account. You can either use your LinkedIn or Facebook or your Gmail account, anyone that you want, but I will go with Gmail. Okay, now it says select at least 3 topics for a personalized learning experience. So I'm gonna go something with tech because that's basically what I do. So let me go through it. We have business, HR, team management, leadership, business. We have food industry. Okay, so let's go down a little. Marketing, social media. Okay, I'm gonna click on social media. Then we're just gonna click on this plus at the side of the image. So IoT, then okay, like little game, then UX and technology. machine learning, little Python, programming, data science, software, cybersecurity. Oh yeah, web, then mobile, then tech, fintech, this. Okay, so that's what I have chosen for myself to personalize my learning experience here. Then I'm going to come up here and click next. So it says here follow top creators. So it gives me top creators so I can follow them. So let me just follow this and this and this and this. So this one of the advantage right now in TealFeed. If you join and you are a creator, you get this opportunity to be advertised on it, just like this. We can see all these creators right here, and we can follow them. That way they're being advertised and get more followers. Then I click finish, and that's it. You have created your TealFeed account. You can now start creating blogs like this and this right here. So up here we have create, we have also chat beside it, then notification, then profile. So we also have a dark mode if you want to use a dark theme right here. And we can change it back by coming back and on my profile picture, then click on switch to light mode. So that's how you create an account on TealFeed. I'll be giving you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you create an account and join the blogging crew. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.